Hi, my name is Rumil, this is Gregory, and that's Omar. And together we worked on our final project, which is a refrigerating vending machine. And as a vending machine, we decided to implement a few functionalities such as the stocking, vending, and temperature regulation. And Greg will talk to you more about the circuit and its implementations.
So the circuitry consists of three major sections. One is the inventory section, one is the mode section, and one is the temperature control section. This section will be available for the user, and this will allow the user to vend any item that is stored on the vending machine. This section will be just available for the owner of the machine. This section will allow you to go from stock mode to vending mode, and this section will allow you to interact with the temperature of the machine. This is a refrigerating unit, and this is a sensor of the current temperature of the machine.
Alright, to show you how the vending machine operates, as you can see right now, every LED is turned off, and that's for specific reasons. The imagery LEDs are currently off because there is no imagery in slots A, B, and C. The mode LED is off because the machine is currently in vending mode. If we want it in stock mode, we hit the mode button, the LED turns on, and now the machine is in stock mode. To show you stock mode, we are going to press one of the slot buttons, say A, and now there is one item in the A slot. We can put in more items in the B and C slots. Let's put 2 in B and 3 in C. So now there is one item in A, 2 in B, 3 in C. Now if we want to vend them, we have to go from stock mode into vend mode. We do that by hitting the M button. That turns off this M LED, which shows that we are now in vend mode. Notice that these LEDs turn on. These are part of the temperature regulator, which will later be explained. Back to our vending items. To vend these items, you hit these buttons while in vend mode to show them vending. There's one item in A, so we hit A. It starts blinking. The blinking signifies it's vending. Since it vended one item and there's only one item inside, it is now empty. That's why the LED is off. There's 2 items in B, so it should blink twice or vend twice. That is blinking it once. It turns on again because there's still one item left, and we can vend again that last item. Now that there's no items, the LED turns off. There's 3 in C, and we can show that by having it blink 3 times. That was blinking once. There should be 2 items left. It's blinking again. And the last item I should dispense. Now that was pretty much the vending and stocking functions. Now to explain the temperature regulations.
Okay. So this part of the vending machine is the refrigerating unit, and there are 2 buttons. One is up and one's down. Basically, if you press up, it increases the temperature by 1, and when you press down, it decreases the temperature by 1. These 2 LEDs represent, so let's talk about the green LED. This LED represents or indicates how hot or cold the refrigerating unit is, and this LED represents the refrigerating unit being turned on. So here, let me demonstrate that. So as I press the up button, you can see that the green light turned on, indicating that the temperature is really hot in the vending machine, and the refrigerating unit is on. And now as soon as I let go of the up button, you'll see that eventually the light, the refrigerating unit will shut down, and so will the temperature, indicating that the temperature is back to its original state.
Okay, I'm gonna specific features of our vending machine. The user will not be allowed to vend if the temperature of the vending machine is really high. I'm gonna show that right now. So we're gonna stock some items inside of the vending machine right now. As you can see, the temperature is going up, and if I turn off the stock mode and I go to vending mode and I try to vend an item, the machine will not allow me until the temperature reaches its ideal value. So now the vending machine will allow the user to actually vend any item that is inside because the temperature is on its set point. Thank you.
All right. So as we demonstrated throughout that our vending machine can be used for practical applications like other vending machines, like whether you want to use for ice creams, chocolates, even just any kind of like beverage or anything. It works anytime. And we hope that our vending machine can be further used for further implementation. And I guess I hope you guys like our idea, and we had fun making it, and I hope you guys had a fun learning experience on how we made it and implemented it. Thank you guys.
Thank you.